traders, I have the SPX. This is the 200-day simple moving average where we started buying stocks. We consolidated. We've had 3 up days. We're going to hit the moving averages that are going to act as a wall of resistance. In this case, we have the 100-day simple moving average, which we had broke below over here. That is going to be the wall of resistance. Once again, keep stop losses in. We are not oversold. We were oversold down here on the stochastics. Now we're getting back to the top. So that wall of resistance, we got the 50-day simple moving average. That will be a wall of resistance. And that 50-day simple moving average is definitely coming into play right now. So once again, trader, sign up for our trading capital program. We will fund your trading account. We will power you with entry exits. Sign up today. It takes money to make money.